Alright, we're launching fireworks.
Are your hands cold?
So,
Are your hands cold?
this is the third time I've had to retake this. So anyways, I have my basket. It is gonna, we gotta get down. So, let's get over. Alright, so here we are. We are outside the car now. We're here.
Dad, can you help me get down? I call you. You can get, wait, Simon.
So,
we can watch on the playground. Look, Laura. Oh.
Okay, we're outside now.
It's a bright rainbow.
Hold on.
Dad, I'm cold. Dude.
Outside.
Dad, I'm cold.
So we got our stuff right here, ready to go.
Wow.
So let's get to lighting. Let's get to the fireworks stuff. We're lighting them. What? Here. Oh, that's so cool, everyone. That's oh, there you go, lighting another one. Oh! You know, this music completes it. Oh, here's another one over there. Jeez, they weren't kidding. That's a cool shot. Oh! Chat, my hands are freezing right now. You're lucky I'm doing this to give you guys content. Jeez. Oh, it's the paper! Yo! I should put an epileptic warning. Dad, you might want to blow that out. Dad, the fire's still going on that. Oh crap. Yo, he's lighting the fire ants! Oh, that does look like ants! Well, not from the camera though. Oh, he's lighting another one. Dad, stand back! Dad, get away from there. Dad! Let's just start. Hey, that's satisfying. No, this is a little loud. Sorry, guys. We still got one in the back going. And it's going gone. Oh, no, it's not. It's not gone. Okay. Okay, why is it still going? Shouldn't it go out?
Still going.
W fireworks! And W viewers out there.
It's
Oh man, we still got more fireworks, fellas. Fellas, we got more fireworks. Oh, we got another one. Yo, perfectly at the beat drop, bro. Like the rest, Dad. Is that all? Dad, is that all? We've got even more. Where is a dinosaur? Who do you want to like dinosaurs to these bombs? I wonder what they mean when they say dinosaur though. Dad! Dad! Back up! No, only the ones that go up into the air do that. Only the ones that go up into the ball do that.
I see a blue star.
Cool, that's probably a planet, not a star. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful.
That's satisfying. Well, now I know it's not going to catch fire. They're just tiny sparks.
Yo.